gonna do a short Q&A with the kids. Say hi.
Hi.
Say YouTube. Tube. Say hi, Tube.
Hi, too.
Just sit down.
Hi. Got it.
You ready?
Yes.
What's your name?
Rabbit.
What's your name?
Bag.
Bag. What's your name?
Vinicia.
How old are you? How old are you?
5.
4? That's 6. How old are you?
6. Yeah.
You're 2.
2.
2.
2.
How old are you?
10.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Bug, what's your favorite color?
4.
Blue? Pink.
Pink.
What's your favorite color?
Yellow.
What's your favorite holiday?
Easter.
Easter? What's your favorite holiday?
No.
I don't know what that was.
Mother said Christmas.
You like Christmas? What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
What's your favorite food?
A shrimp.
You like shrimp? What's your favorite food?
Cheese.
Cheese? What's your favorite food?
Your spicy chili.
Sit down, Bug. What's your favorite TV show or cartoon?
Follow their pounds.
You like SpongeBob? What's your favorite TV show? You like Paw Patrol?
Wait, I always say that. I like Paw Patrol.
You like Paw Patrol?
Movies or like shows, cartoons?
TV or cartoon?
Paw.
You like Paw.
Patrol.
What's your favorite animal?
Sit down. What animal? What kitties?
Kitty.
You like kitties?
A puppy.
You like puppies?
Monkey.
Monkeys. Monkeys.
Yes.
Lyric. What's one word to describe Bug?
2.
She's 2? What's one word to describe Nithya?
3.
3?
3.
2.
Bug. What's Bubba?
Lyric.
Is Bubba nice?
Hey.
Stop it.
Me.
Does he mean? What's Bubba?
Papa and Baba.
Oh, really? Okay. You.
I would describe Lyric weird.
Weird. What
And
about
I would describe Bug as a monster.
Bug, are you a monster? Yeah?
Come here, you mom. Yeah. Stop it.
No hitting. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.